We're out here chilling at Cypress Hill Lookout, and well, I figured this is a good spot. I mean, I got tons of space. I might as well see if I can get this fixed, because I can leave the door open and nobody's gonna bother, because there's tons of parking. So it shouldn't take me too long. Hopefully we can get this off, fixed, put back together. So yeah, come along with me on my little journey on fixing my door in a provincial parking lot. Shouldn't be too much trouble. It's not like we're like doing an oil change. Yeah, the goals of finding a parking near Vancouver where I can literally stand on the outside of my driver's door without getting hit by oncoming traffic, it's a little bit troublesome. I mean, I probably could have like went to like a Canadian Tire or a Rona or a Walmart or something like that and just took up 2 parking spots, but yeah, thought I'd come up here, check it out, because yeah, this is annoying. So let's get the tools out and we'll fix it up. I think the hardest thing about this is getting this off. If this was power windows, it would get so much easier. So the first step I did was I just removed this piece, and it just comes off right here. And you can just use like a pry bar and get that off. Let's grab a screwdriver. I think, yeah, this pops off right here. There we go. One piece off. 2 pieces off, I mean. Now let's see, you got a big screw here. A screw here. Another big screw here. Here. Screw here. Yep. The only hook I have is the tip of my fishing gear. So hopefully this hook will get in there. Almost there. Yep, got it. Boom. Now, from my understanding, to put this back on, you just gotta put that there, and you just snap it back on. There's 2 metal rods in the back and you've got to disconnect them. One is a little yellow clip and it just lifts up. The other one slides into a hole. Okay, that's gonna be tricky. I gotta pull off this metal bar just to get in there and get it done. It's also much easier if you remove the window slide out of the way with just a 10mm bolt, and then you can slide it out of the way, which will make it easier to remove the metal plate inside. Once you remove these 2 plastic covers, you can take a 10mm socket, take off your door handle. Oh, I'm defeated. I can't figure it out myself. So we're gonna look to YouTube to learn how to make a YouTube video. How to replace front left exterior door handle. Yeah, sounds good to me. Okay, let's see.
A few minutes later.
Oh, I did it. That was a pain in the butt. Okay. How hard is it to get these out? Okay, that's one. So we gotta put that one in the new handle. Okay, that's all sorted out. Now, I just need to take the lock. Okay. Should be easy enough. Slides out. Cool stuff. At this point in time, you'll want to make sure that when you put the key, the locking mechanism inside the door handle, that it doesn't easily just get pushed out. Because mine is still loose. Even right now, I still haven't put it back together properly. Now the trick is getting this all back together. So much easier. Why didn't I do that before? Alright. Okay. So if you're having troubles getting that metal bracket on, there's a bolt right here, and this is your track for your window, and that is pretty much what's blocking it. That one's a good thing I double checked. It wasn't even clipped over the bottom. Now it's clipped. There we go. Just got to remember to connect the levers that are used to lock and unlock the door and open the door. It's pretty simple. It's just a clip, snaps into place, and then you should be all set and ready to go. Pop this out of the way. Got my key, door's unlocked. Oh, that's so exciting, guys. I fixed it. Alright. Except you forgot to check the key. Make sure you test your key before you put everything all back together. Oh, I gotta put the window track down. I never really could understand why this window doesn't want to roll up. It's a little bit beyond my understanding, really. Now we can start bolting everything back together. Sweet. At least now when I want to go replace the speaker, I know exactly how to get in it. Snap, pop, crack. Now we got a bajillion screws to put in. Oh, this thing. I don't know what's going on with that window. Well, that was pretty fun. Well, I think that's gonna be pretty much it. So something's not right because it won't stay in the spot. It's supposed to stay there, but as soon as you put the key in, there's just the key's not long enough. So I'm gonna have to shove something in between the lock and the hole that it sits in so it actually stays clipped. So the door still works. I just can't use the locking mechanism, and I just put everything back together I'm not doing it today. I'm done. I don't know if the door handle is just cheap or something, or if it's the wrong model for this year. I don't know. I have no idea. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to like shove like a couple pieces of paper so that when I pop it in there, it's a snug fit, but it's just not staying clipped. Yeah, silly little update. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next episode. Hopefully I can figure that out. Yeah, see you later. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this content. All right, guys, hopefully you guys are having a great day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next episode.